Hello YouTube, and this is a video on how to export an image with transparency in Harmony Premium. So currently, if we disable the color card and then go to File, Export, Render Write Nodes, we get a TGA file. If we bring this into Photoshop to view, as you can see, it has a black background and it's not what we want. Let's go back to our project, find the Write node, right-click, Layer Properties. You get all of these different settings. All you need to change is drawing type, change it from TGA to PNG4. Export the image again, we find it in the project folder and the frames folder. Here we go, final.png with transparency.